welcome to this walk around video. Today we have something very special that's just come into stock, something that we've not had at all. Nissan GT-R R35 on a 2012 registration, and the condition of this particular vehicle is immaculate. It is finished in the gun metal grey. It's covered just under 55,000 miles from new, but the condition of this vehicle for the age and mileage is lovely. It's even got Litchfield stickers down the side. Even on the inside you'll see just how well looked after this car has been. Just have the full leather with the Recaro bucket seats, but as you can see, condition wise, almost like brand new. With the BOSE sound system as well. Truly iconic car. Could talk more about the specification, but it is all relatively standard spec that you do get on the GT-R. The condition is what really sets it off. A lot of the work that's being carried out on this car has been done by JC Motors and being very meticulously looked after. If you have any more questions on this particular vehicle, please do contact us on 01423 33 11 33.